I made this application called EMP, which is a platform that anyone can use to train an AI model with their own datasets. There is no requirement of technical skills, programming, or even AI-related stuff. All you need to do is to upload your um dataset and then train the model, test it, and if you're not satisfied, continue to train the same model and test it again. And finally, if you're satisfied, then you can download it and integrate it into your own application or business and whatsoever. In this case, I'm going to upload a file that I have, a data set of restaurant reviews, which is made of positive and negative reviews, and the model is going to train on it. And once it's done, I test it out, send it a couple of positive and negative reviews to see if I'm happy with the results. And then when I'm done with it, I can actually download the model and it's ready to be used in, anywhere, any other application. This can be used, for example, let's say if you're a restaurant owner, and what you can do is use this to track your other or future reviews on Google Maps, for example, or on your official website, and any other data, any other what would you say, platform or for social media maybe, and so on. So yeah, it's a very flexible application and user friendly. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for listening.